Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's DIY, I'm so excited to share with you how I made this two farmhouse wall decor using Dollar Tree items. So if you like this project, keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. I am making a lot of DIYs. They are inexpensive, so make sure to subscribe and stick around. Let's get started. I will start by using my white foam board. I am marking 15 inches along the short side, and then I just mark it. And then I mark 3 inches from the right side. As you can see on the screen, those are the measurements that I mark. Then I use the Xsakto knife to cut the lines that I mark, and I also use the ruler as a guide for the knife. It's easier to cut. And make sure that your work surface is protected by a cardboard to avoid scratches. Then this is the foam board that we cut. I just grabbed the other foam board and I just traced it. And here two frames are ready, and let's proceed to the poster board. I measured 13 inches. I mark and cut it all the way. I measure 1 inch to use it as a guide to fold the poster board. I just fold it back and forth, and then I also use this hard gift card. It helps me a lot to fold my poster board. And here is the finished folded poster board. This is the full length poster board, but it doesn't fit the frame, so we need to make another one to complete the shutters. Then I grab the frame and attach the folded poster boards with hot glue starting from the top. Then I also flip the poster board so that it's so easier for me to work on it. I start adding glue to the sides, and then I apply pressure along the poster board to secure it to the frame. And then I grab the other frame and I just hot glue it. And then to cover the sides, I grabbed the leftover foam board. I just trace, cut, and hot glue it. And this is how it turned out. I will just add real brown to give it a rustic look. And then I grab my white acrylic paint to give it more dimension and to brighten it up. This project is really fun and it's not hard. I feel like I put too much paint, but I could just go back and lighten it up with my white acrylic paint. So just have fun painting. Even though you are a beginner, you can do this. Just trust yourself. Then I cut the dowel and I also painted with the pewter gray and then white to match our shutters. Then I just hot glue it in the middle. Then I'm adding this Sawtooth picture hanger that I've got from Walmart so that we can hang it. And then there you are. This is our first DIY. I made 2 of these. Let's proceed to the next part of the DIY. We will be using cookie sheets and the leftover poster board and foam board from the shutters. And here I am making my own pattern using the poster board and the foam board. You can also print the pattern. I will link it on the description below so that you can use it on your project. And then it's time to trace the pattern on the cookie sheet. Then I am tracing the other pattern on the foam board. After I cut the two pieces, I just attach it using hot glue. To cover the base, I use the leftover cookie sheet. I just trace it, and then when I cut it, I just give more allowance. I just use hot glue to attach it. I use dark gray acrylic paint and a foam brush. I just dab the paint. Then I use this Nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I remove one of the braids to make it less bulky. And then I added the single braid to fill up the space. And I think it's very cute. I do the same thing for the top and follow the curves when attaching it. And then to add more dimensions, I use this white Waverly chalk paint. I also add the Nutmeg brown paint to give it a rustic look. I also paint the rope using the Nutmeg brown. And then I cut some twine and attach it at the back so that we can hang it. And this is how it turned out. I made two of these as well. And then to put some greenery, you need to cut some floral foam, and I've got this grass from Dollar Tree. Then voila, we're done. then I just hang it together and it's really beautiful. I really love how it turned out. It's really farmhousey. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you were new to my channel, you are welcome here. Thanks for dropping by. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you are not going to miss out. Thank you to all of my amazing subscribers. Yeah, so bye-bye and have a blessed weekend. Take care.